Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to request an increase in your credit card limit on HDFC Bank Internet Banking. Open your favorite browser. Go to hdfcbank.com. Now click on the login button at the top right corner of the page. Select Netbanking from the drop-down menu. You will be navigated to Netbanking login page. Enter your customer ID or user ID. Click on Continue. Now enter your password. Click Login. You are logged into your HDFC Bank Internet Banking account. In the top menu bar, hover your mouse over Pay. Under the Cards section, click on Credit Cards from the drop-down menu. You will be navigated to Your Credit Cards page, where all the credit cards linked to your account are displayed. Click the arrow button next to your preferred credit card. You will be taken to Credit Card Summary page. On this page, find the section titled Total Credit Card Limit. Under this section, click on Increase link. A window will pop up on your screen. Accept the terms and conditions, then click Confirm. If you are eligible for a limit upgrade, an HDFC Bank customer care executive will contact you to proceed with the upgrade. This is how you can request an increase in your credit card limit on HDFC Bank Internet Banking. Thank you for watching.